Rancak.
Let's go.
Okay, I start eh.
Yang tak present listen.
I start eh. Assalamualaikum to Sir Faizal and a very good morning. I am Nurashika binti Moksen and my group member Nur Shahada and Muhammad Khairul Iqbal. So for the company background, SBS Hair and Beauty Salon is a hair beauty company that was originally founded in Section 7 Shah Alam in 2019 as a hair beauty venue. The owner's name is Mr. Rana. In 2022, SBS Hair and Beauty Salon has 4 outlets, and one of the outlets is a final year project we will be running. We selected a branch located at Lot G02 Menara U2, Jalan Bolim Padang, Section 13, Shah Alam Selangor to conduct the interview. The branch has only been operating for 4 months, starting from 2 February 22 till now. Operating hours are from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. So for the vision and mission, they want to assist, mentor, and educate salon owners to become better version of them. They want the salon industry to thrive, and SBS Hair and Beauty Salon can assist. Therefore, they give products that make the salon modern, diverse, ecological, and ethical as hairdressing and wholesalers. They partner with companies who use sustainable, certified organic ingredients and, when possible, package their product in 100% recycled containers. So for the last part, for the mission is SBS Hair and Beauty Salon believe that everyone should be able to enjoy the high quality of their products. Thus, they make them available to everyone. They also have items that can assist you regardless of your age, gender, ethnicity, or hair health. Because they believe in quality and care for everyone, that's why they attempt to provide a varied assortment of hair product to fit all hair types. So I'll pass to the next presenter.
Hi, my name is Yasmin. Next slide. For safety analysis, they learn how to use the fire extinguishing. This is intended to correct any deficiency to avoid any further injuries. We also give 1 day to prepare the item as suggested earlier, and we will conduct training using them once Mr. Rana has prepared all that. The next one is the floor of the shop is always clean and almost no hair or no trash can be seen. This is also applied in the discipline of the store employee to ensure that customers feel comfortable and the surrounding conditions are cheerful and clean. Other than that, as said by Mr. Rana, their shutter also installed CCTV on their premise, and we could see the CCTV was working and being in a very strategic position. In the term of employee safety, we can be seen is that the premise conditions are very good and clean. This is because responsible attitude toward the cleanness, cleanness and cheerfulness of the permit is very important to them and is often reminded by Mr. Rana to ensure that the permit is in excellent condition.
Next is accident case. There was a minor accident where the air conditioner exploded when the salon was open for business. However, the situation was under control and no one was injured. The owner further speculated that the explosion may have been caused by excessive heat. According to research that have been conducted, having the flame can be seen to belong to a dirty coil. Therefore, when dust, dirt, and mineral scale accumulate on the condenser coil, the air conditioning system is unable to evacuate enough heat generated, forcing it to operate continuously to cool the room. Due to the high temperature and pressure, the compressor may overheat and explode will be happen. So next is method safety analysis. We use two method safety analysis. First is domino theory of accident and behavioral theory of causation. So domino theory, according to Heinrich domino theory, there are 5 factors in the sequence of events that lead to the accident, among which are related to the case. First is the fault of the person negative trait playing at the workplace, inherited, previous genetic, or accurate are why people behave in an unsafe manner and why hazardous conditions exist. So another one is unsafe act of mechanical or physical hazard act by people and mechanical or physical hazard are the direct cause of accident. So another one is behavior theory. So this theory of accident prevention and prevention is often referred to as behavior-based safety (BBS) has 7 basic principles. So the first is intervention that is focused on employee behavior. Second is identification of external factor. Number 3 is direct behavior. Next is focus on the positive consequence that will result from the desired behavior employees. Use of theory to integrate information rather than to limit possibilities. Number 6 is plan intervention with the feelings and attitude of the individual employee in mind. So last one, number 7 is application of the scientific method to improve attempt at behavioral intervention.
Okay, next is promoting strategy in safety. The first one is provide basic training, certain job requiring first aid and emergency training, but even if prior safety training is not required, workers should have a basic understanding of the material available. By showing staff the location of first aid kit, basic information as to where to find bandage and other essential in an emergency. Show employee the kit available in the workplace and explain each item and where it is in the kit. Next is make safety procedure as collaborative effort. The Houston Chronicle notes that workplace safety can easily be promoted by many employees invested in training. Provide workers with the opportunity to educate their peers on specific topics such as glove safety, proper eyewear, and hearing protection, and depending on the hazard of your field. Third is create a culture of wellness, developing and assisting a lifestyle of the administrative center being with advantage personnel within inside the run. Remember the full-time personnel spend the bulk of every work day at the job, and that a relative time period living is based on the surrounding being secure and comfortable. The last one is an advocate the work organization encourage occupational safety and health advocacy, which can apply to any business from a startup of 1 or 2 staff individual to a major corporation, similar to creating a culture of wellness advocacy release on primary prevention. That's it from me. Thank you.
So next is the major project. There are 5 suggestions for the owner. First is provide a safety kit. Move the fire extinguisher to an area that is easy to reach or use. Learn how to use fire extinguisher and learn how which type is suitable with the condition when to use the fire extinguisher, because we know have a lot of type of fire extinguisher. And another one is learn to use safety kit. So we had 2 training that we provide. First is how to use safety kit to treat a bleeding finger or any part of body that we have a bleeding. So after that, we do how to use a fire extinguisher. As we can see in the picture, Mr. Rana is show how to use the fire extinguisher after we explain to them how to use the fire extinguisher using PASS method. That is press, aim, squeeze, and sweep. Sweep, like that. And then another one picture is Shada is show how to use the medical kit to treat the bleeding finger. So for the conclusion is the company need to promote community safety and health in the workplace. Employee So for the conclusion, an employer must always promote OSH in the workplace so that the level of awareness of OSH among employee and management members is at the maximum level. Employers need to establish a workplace safety policy or policy as written to ensure the safety and health of each employee and individual who is on the premise. Next, the employer must ensure the OSH policy established complies with all provisions of regulation and law related to OSH. Employee also need to be given training appropriate to the needs of their respective jobs. So that's all from us. Thank you.